Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Smart Wireless Meat Probe by ARmeator. This thing's packaged pretty well, solid. Comes with some startup directions inside. Just kind of tells you about the meat probe itself. If you scan the barcode right here, it'll direct you to the ARmeator app. This thing has a really nice feel to it. Could withstand temperatures up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, let's crack this app open. Let's see what's going on. Okay, pretty easy. Press add device, connecting through Bluetooth, very quick. There it is, the temperature that's reading the probe. Looks like it's got some options to pick what kind of meat you're cooking. And you can set a target temperature and it will alert you when it hits your temp. I'm gonna do an overnight test. We'll see if this thing does its job. Okay, so the meat probe hit 203. We're gonna test it out and we're gonna see how it did, if it came out okay. So far it's cutting like butter. Let's see. Oh my lord. Let's see how we did. Oh my god. If y'all are interested in picking up one of these ARmeator Smart Wireless Meat Probes, I'm going to leave a link below in the description. Before you check out, take an extra 10% off with this coupon code SMOKED, S-M-O-K-E-D, SMOKED. That takes 10% off. Thanks y'all, I'll see you on the next one.